Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Seagull Pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the bottom left and let's draw the beak. Let's start with a curve out to the left and bring it down. Then from the top line, a small angled line down, and then curve it down and over to the right. Now for the end, a small line down, and then an S-shaped curve across to connect them. Now for the bottom, let's draw a curve underneath on the left. Then let's angle it over and up next to it. And that's it for the beak. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a circular curve all the way around. And now let's hop inside and draw the eyes. Let's start with a large circle inside. Then next to the eye on the top right, let's draw a curve out and back in. Now let's add a curve on the left side for the other eye. And then let's color both of them in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's draw the body, starting with the first wing. Let's leave a gap next to the head and let's draw a line down. Then from the top, let's bring it over. Then a large angle up to the right. Bring it over and back down. Now let's draw the next section, going down and in. Then another one that's smaller. And then one more curve down at the bottom. And then close it off with a line across. And that's it for the first section of wings. Now let's add the feathers at the end. Let's start on the top and let's draw a large curve out and back around. Then for the next feather, let's start underneath and we're going to make this one shorter and then continue it down, getting shorter as we go. Then let's add one more last feather with a curve at the bottom. Now let's move inside the second feather and let's draw a curve across. Then the same thing in the one below and one last one underneath. And that's it for the first wing. Now let's move back down and finish drawing the body. Let's start next to the head and let's draw a curve over to the wing. And then another curve underneath for the bottom side of the body. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's draw the tail. On the top next to the wing, let's draw an angled line up and curve it over. Then a shorter one next to it on the left. Now let's hop to the right side under the wing and let's draw another tail feather going down and in. Then let's add a curve inside each of these. And that's it for the tail. Now let's hop up and let's draw the other wing. Let's start on top of the head and let's draw a curve up and bring it over and in on the right. Then let's bring it all the way down with a bumpy line. Now let's add the second set of feathers. Let's start at the top and let's draw a curve up to the right and back down. Now let's draw the next wing underneath, making it shorter. And do the same thing, going down, getting shorter as you go. And again, in the second wing, let's draw a curve, then another one below it, and one more. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's move to the bottom right and let's draw a circle for the foot. And that's it for the cute seagull pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!